Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to clear your activity log history in Facebook. First, head into facebook.com and then click on the profile icon in the right corner of your screen. After clicking this, click the settings and privacy and then click the activity log. After clicking the activity log, scroll down a little in the left side of the screen to find the activity history. Here in the activity history, you will see all of the activities that you've done in Facebook. You can delete them one by one if you want. But for this video, I'm going to show you how to clear them all at once. So let's click our profile icon again and then click on the settings and privacy. Click the settings and then click this meta tab. After clicking this, find your information and permissions. Now click this Your Activity of Meta Technologies and then clear previous activity. Then simply click the clear button. Now all your activity on Facebook is now cleared, and that is how to delete or clear your Facebook activity log history. Thank you for listening.